She's trying to clean out the branch! Call security! What?
No! I'm literally just trying to make a withdrawal.
Ma'am, step 2 feet back from the counter. Hands where I can see them. Oh, really? Then what do you call this?
It's a standard cash withdrawal slip.
People who look like you don't casually walk out with that much cash.
It's my money. I need it for a family emergency.
Marcus, look at the back. Did you write this?
Yes, but not to rob the bank. I'm walking out with $25,000. I didn't want everyone in the lobby knowing. It was for my safety.
Nice try. It's okay, everyone! Situation is under control.
You're making a huge mistake.
Marcus, get her in the back office. I'm calling the police.
You can't just detain me. Check my account.
Sit down and keep quiet, lady.
I asked for discreet cash handling so I wouldn't get mugged outside.
A total fraud. Why am I not surprised? Your type is all the same.
My type?
How does someone looking like a teenage college dropout suddenly have $25,000?
Because $25,000. Because I earned every dollar of it. I'm one of your top-tier account holders.
Give me a break. Real high net worth clients wear bespoke suits, not streetwear.
You really shouldn't judge somebody by by appearance. Judging a book by its cover in business usually costs people their careers.
Is that a threat?
It's advice. Run my ID. Check the system.
Fine. Don't move. The name and photo matched the system profile for Maya Vance.
Great. Can we finish my transaction now?
Not so fast. Synthetic identity theft is getting very sophisticated.
Are you serious?
You probably cloned her driver's license and memorized her information.
What?
You find a wealthy account, forge an ID, and try to drain $25,000?
This is unbelievable.
But you picked the wrong branch today.
Before you call the police, you should probably look at who actually owns this branch.
Well, I got news for you, sweetheart.
I'm no sucker.
When I tell the cops about this, the judge is gonna add years onto your sentence.
That's my ID, and that's my money in the account.
Let's just say, for argument's sake, that is true. Why on earth would you walk around with all that cash?
I don't want to, I have to. I've been trying to explain to you all day. I have a very important event tonight, and that money is all for...
Where? At the casino?
No. It's my mother's 75th birthday party. It's a big deal.
The police are here. Excellent. Have them come in. Well, have fun in jail. Although, I'm sure this isn't the first time you've been locked up. Nothing to worry about, everyone. The criminal has been brought to justice. What? What's all this? Oh, thank goodness you're back, Mr. Cherry. You would not believe what happened. This woman tried to rob the bank. But don't worry, I stopped her. A woman? Maya Vance? You know this woman? Oh, yes, of course. Take those cuffs off immediately. But sir, you don't understand. She tried to rob the bank. Why would a multimillionaire try to rob her own bank? Arthur, explain that to me. A multimillionaire?
Why not? Because I'm not wearing fancy clothes?
Is that what you thought? No, it's because look how she's dressed. Look how she's dressed.
That's the kind of thing I've heard from small-minded people like you my entire career. I've spent the last 12 years building my investment firm from the ground up. They didn't take me seriously at first, but I didn't let that stop me. I turned my small startup into the largest, most successful financial firm on the entire West Coast.
I had no idea. How could I possibly know that?
If you had listened when I tried explaining all of that to you.
This kind of profiling is unacceptable, Arthur. It's against everything this bank stands for. Sir, you have to believe me. I was trying to protect the bank. She asked for $25,000 in cash. Who would do that?
Not that it's any of your business, but I needed that cash for my mother's upcoming 75th birthday party. I'm expecting over 400 guests. It's going to be the event of the season, and the caterers only get paid in cash.
If I would have known that, I would have never... Arthur, you're fired! What? You're fired! Take him out of my sight. Now, out! I'm so sorry. Truly, this is not the way I run this bank.
I'm just glad you were here before it was too late.
I'm looking forward to attending your mother's birthday party tonight.
She's gonna be so thrilled to see you.
Right this way.